Hello students, good evening everybody. Let us continue the problems of exercise 13.5 in differentiation. Look at this question, x power 5 cot x. Let y is equal to x power 5 cot x. Equation 1. Differentiating 1 with respect to x. So you will get dy by dx equal to d by dx of x power 5 cot x. Immediately you should remember product rule. We have the product formula here. uv is equal to first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. This is called product rule. So first function is x to the power 5 d by dx of cot x plus cot x into d by dx of x power 5. So x to the power 5 into cot x derivative minus cosec square x plus cot x into x to the power 5 derivative 5 into x to the power 4. So this will be minus x to the power 5 cosec square x plus 5x to the power 4 cot x. That's all, final answer. Therefore, dy by dx equal to minus x to the power 5 cosec square x 5x to the power 4 cot x. Let y is equal to x to the power 4 into 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. Differentiating 1 with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to d by dx of x to the power 4 into 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. Here also we have two functions. X power 4 is the first function, 5 sin x minus 3 cos x is the second function. So first function into derivative of 5 sin x minus 3 cos x plus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x into derivative of x to the power 4. uv formula. First function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. So x to the power 4 into 5 sin x derivative cos x derivative minus sin x, so plus 3 sin x plus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x into x to the power 4 derivative 4x cube. d by dx of x to the power n means n into x to the power n minus 1. So if you want to multiply this, 5x to the power 4 cos x, 3x to the power 4 sin x, 5 4s 20x cube sin x minus 12x cube cos x. Right? So what to do now? X power 4, this may be, you can write final answer like this, x to the power 4 into 5 cos x plus 3 sin x plus x cube into 20 sin x minus 12 cos x. You can write like this. This is the final answer. Right? So you can write therefore step, therefore dy by dx equal to this answer you can write. Hope it is clear. Thank you.